everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. We are on block number 9 of our Sew Quilty Sew and Stitch Along. So we are almost halfway done with our sew along. I hope you guys are having a lot of fun. So far we've done our borders, we've done our little cake stands, and now we're working on all the fun little blocks. So today's block is one of my favorites. This one is the tomato pin cushion block. Here is my quilty version. Like I mentioned at the beginning of our sew along, I used my bloom fabric for this one, and I used a lot of scraps, so leftovers that I had from other stuff, especially for these small little pieces right here. You really don't need very big pieces at all for these, so if you have scraps left over from that collection, you might be able to get away with using them for some of these smaller pieces. So here's my little tomato pin cushion. I love it so much. The only thing I think I would change if I did it again was I think I would use a different color for the little strawberry up here. For whatever reason, I chose to do the same colors, and I think it just would have been cuter if this was different. So I suppose I could still pick that out, but I'm probably not going to. The other thing I need to do on this one is just do my embroidery, and there is a template for the pins on here, and you can either do running stitches or like a back stitch. I'm just using DMC floss in colorway 840. That information's all in the pattern, but you could use any color you wanted. And we're just going to hand stitch those on. And I do all the embroidery on my quilt blocks before I put the quilt together. I think that makes it a little bit easier on me, and then plus you don't forget it and have your quilt all quilted and then realize you forgot to do the embroidery. So just a little tip, don't ask me how I know that. But anyways, here is our tomato pin cushion, super cute. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Stitchy version. So here's the Stitchy version of our tomato pin cushion. It's really cute. This one took almost no time at all. It does have some half stitches in it, and I do have a video here on YouTube on how to do back stitches, half stitches, and then the quarter stitches as well. So if you need any help with any of that, go back and check that video out. I'll link it somewhere here on the screen. And that goes into a lot of detail on how to do that. And I do the back stitching last. So I stitch the whole block first, and then when I'm done, I'll go back through and do that back stitching. But that's it. This one is super easy. I hope you enjoy the tomato pincushion block. This one would be a great one to do on its own as well to decorate your room if you have like a little wall of mini quilts. So that's it for today. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave them below. I will also put my blog post where all of our sew along information is if you're new and just joining us. And don't forget to post your progress pics in our Sew With Me Facebook group. And if you tag me on social media, make sure to tag me at Erica Arndt so I can see what you're doing there as well. I will be having some fun prizes at the end of our sew along, so make sure you're posting your progress and finishes if you have them. I'll be picking winners from our Sew With Me group and sending out some fun little prizes when we're all done. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video for block number 10.